Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the LETSCOM Ultra Slim Wireless Charger. QI certified 15 watt maximum fast wireless charging pad. Woo! Compatible with Apple iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max, XS, Max, XR, XS, 8 Plus, etc. Samsung Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, S10, S10 Plus, and blah blah blah. So many other devices are compatible with this ultra slim wireless charger pad. If your phone contains an compatibility with the QI standard and is certified, you can use it with this pad here. You have a high charging speed. Output charging is using a QC 2.0 or 3.0 or PD adapter. Recommend iPhone 11 Pro, for example, or a Samsung Note adapter. Then you can charging speed have 15 watt. It's compatible with LG V50, V40, V35, etc. 10 watt compatible with the Samsung Note 10 Plus, Note 9, Note 8, etc., etc. And 7.5 watt. That means you have in one charging pad, you have three options to get the energy in your phone. And the 7.5 watt power is compatible with the iPhone and Apple devices itself, okay? Like 11 Pro, 8 and above, no? With the latest iOS system, and 5 watt compatible with the Google Pixel 3, 3XL, 4 and all other QI-enabled devices. Because in the QI standard, you can see 5 watt power, 7.5, 10 watt and 15 watt. That means you have 4 options to get energy into your device. And your device will automatically choose the best watt power what your phone can handle. It's ultra thin. This PowerWave charging pad is just 0.3 inches, super slim. It makes it easier to put it in pockets. A high-speed wireless power charging pad can be carried on anywhere. Type-C cable that is included allows our QI wireless charger to work at a faster rate. And you have a perfect design for AirPods and anti-skid protection. Unique design, compatible with AirPods, with wireless charging case, of course. And AirPods Pro simply place the device on the center of the wireless charging pad. This is a silicone ring to get the best charging results. The silicone ring and the 4 silicone pads on the underneath of the QI wireless charger are designed to protect anti-skid. Through case charging and sleep-friendly LED indicators. That wireless charger pad is compatible with the most phone cases with a thickness up to 6 millimeters. But please note that cases made of metal, then you have a problem. External attachments such as magnets, credit cards, grips, and standards will cause foreign object detection and interference with charging and the device itself. You will need an AC adapter for it. Use your phone AC adapter for it, and then get it in position with this loading unit. No problem. You will have it at home because you are a smartphone owner, right? Isn't it? You have a sleep-friendly option that shows the charging status won't disturb you if while you are sleeping, because if your smartphone is full charge, the LED will switch off. Easier, isn't it? And safe for use. QI and UL certification with multifunction intelligent protect technology provides temperature control, over voltage and over current protection, short circuit prevention, foreign object detection, and this makes this pad to a nice device for your sleeping room. I'm using it in my sleeping room and it's no problem. Wireless charging with 15 watt, 10 watt, 7.1, 5 watt and 5 watt and it's all compatible with nearly all devices out there. But they has to have this QI standard compatibility, and you can also reload your AirPods with it, no problem. It's case friendly. If you have a case which is not thicker than 6 millimeters, no problem. Do not use magnets, grips and stands, metal cases and credit cards. This is not so good. And uses a QC2 or 3 or a PD adapter, which is not included, but your phone gets it. Your phone may stop charging if overheating occurs. This is important to know. And you have superior safety features: over current protection, over voltage, temperature control for rain object detection, and short circuit protection, no problem. Sleep friendly. You have LED indicates solid red is power on, solid blue is charging in progress, and flashing red overheating or over voltage protection. Red and blue twinkle FOD and over current option, or then you can see what's going on. And the light is off, fully charged. Then you can sleep easily. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. That it is, a LETSCOM Ultra Slim Wireless Charger, QI certified 15 watt maximum fast wireless charging pad. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time on my channel. Soon.